All right, so this video is short and hopefully to the point, but how to create an event in Interra. So I'm in Interra, I'm logged in. We want to make sure that you're on the special event module and that you're in edit. When I hit edit, I have the first layer is event. I'll pick the impact and I'll place it on the map. From here, all you have to do is give the event a name. Obviously you can fill out more information, but it's got to have a name. Hit save. Now you have an event. So now you have the options of doing these four things. There's points, there's lines, there's areas, and you can just label on a map with just text on a map. So let's just grab a point for put it wherever you want. The only thing you have to do is associate it to the event you want it to associate to, and if you want to, you can give it a label that'll show up on the map and as well as tablet command. Save it. Alright, so I won't do any more points, but there's a lot of them in here. For lines, self-explanatory, but let's just pick a line. Know that in the bottom right there's trace and there's vertex. I prefer vertex. Let's just click on the map. Hold on. I'll just grab one. Click on the map, and then you can go wherever you want. And click again. You can make corners. Anyways, double click when you're done making your line. And then associate it with the event, give it a label if you want, and save it. Alright, so those are lines. The third is areas, so these are all the areas. I just call this the bus loading zone. Alright, double click. Let's say that's the bus loading zone. Associate it. I can label it. And then save it. Okay. The last one is the label on the map. So this is a pretty cool tool. Essentially you can call it whatever you want. Just remember to associate it. And it'll just be text on the map. So if you wanted just to put something to put words to explain something, that's how you do it. So anyways, that's how you create an event. You can put points, lines, and areas in a label. Make sure they're all associated to that event. Just so everybody is aware, everything you see in Interra, you can see it forever. So what's cool is like I can build this event, and then I can activate it for when it's live. It shows up in tablet command, and then I can deactivate it, take it out of in progress status. It goes off the tablet command map, but it's always in Interra, so we can redo it next year or next month or whenever you do the event again. Or you can just delete everything out and it goes away, but then you got to rebuild it. But some events are reoccurring, so it's kind of nice that they're in there. If you see, for us in Petaluma, there's quite a few events in Interra that we have. Rivertown Revival, Butter and Egg, Antique Fair, and some others. They're all there, but none of them are live in tablet command because they're not live. The reason they're not live in tablet command is when you go to your event, when I open it up, you'll notice there's a section in here called event status. And in order for any event in Interra to show in tablet command, it has to be an in progress status. And the other video that I did is how to activate and deactivate so that you can get them into in progress and out of in progress status. There's a specific way to do that. And once you do that, in about 5 seconds, it shows up in tablet command. So like this weekend, on Saturday, if you scroll to Petaluma, you'll see quite a bit for Butter and Eggs that's active and live in tablet command for the crews and all responding resources that have TC to be able to see it. All right, I hope that helps.